This story teaches us to not to let go of our happiness by comparing ourselves by someone else. Once a crow looked at a swan and thought, how beautiful the swan is! She had all white feathers, whereas the crow was black. The crow expressed his thoughts to the swan. The swan replied that according to her, the parrot is the most beautiful bird as it has two colors and the swan had just one. Next, the crow approached the parrot, who simply said that peacock is the most beautiful than him as it is multicolored. When the crow expressed his thoughts to the peacock replied, my dear crow, you are the luckiest bird on this planet, as you are never caged. Because of my beauty, I am trapped in this cage and you are free. On hearing this, the crow thought how foolish he had been and thanked God for making him the way he was. Moral: never compare yourself to others. Be happy in what you are and what you have.